Oh, prawns are awesome. Welcome everyone to Farmers Market's Christmas special, and I'm here with the amazing Key from Foodie Mama PH, who's going to teach me how to cook some amazing tiger prawn kebabs. So let's get to it, yeah?
Let's go.
Our 4-part Christmas series starts with the easiest and quickest recipe. We're going to be using 1 kilo black tiger prawns, which are already peeled and deveined with tail on from Farmers Market Singapore. First step is making the marinade for the prawns. We need 1 to 2 teaspoons cracked black pepper, lemon zest, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons pineapple juice. Transfer the prawns in a big bowl and add all the ingredients. Mix and sprinkle some lemon zest and marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. While waiting for the prawns to soak up all the flavors from the marinade, we're gonna start making the spicy mango salsa. Bring out a big bowl and add the following ingredients together. 2 ripe mangoes cut in big chunks, 10 to 12 pieces vine tomatoes chopped, 1 big red onion chopped, cilantro, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 pieces green chilies chopped, 3 to 4 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, and 1 to 2 teaspoons Thai fish sauce. Mix it like a salad and set aside as we assemble the skewers. There are no rules in the sequence. You can put the prawns on the bottom, middle, and top, sandwiching the cherry tomatoes, colorful bell peppers, and red onions. Keep repeating the same pattern up to the last skewer, and these babies are ready for the bobby. Put all the prawn kebabs on the grill and cook for 2 to 3 minutes each side. Oh, the smell of the grill and sound of the sizzle makes us super excited. Well, I guess someone wants to have a taste first. Now's the time to pick some good white wine and pour it on the glass, because our prawn kebabs are finally cooked.
But I'm gonna go like that. Just
Okay.
oh, that looks awesome. Yum. So good. Oh, prawns are awesome.
Really juicy and plump.
Oh, so much flavor. Yum.
Spicy mango
Is it?
salsa.
Mix it with the shrimp.
You can eat it with it.
The mango is really good with the prawns. Really good.
Sweet and
Yeah.
ripe. Prawns and mango and salsa. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.